Building a corporate training system prototype from scratch takes months of design work. The online training system for Axure RP gives you a complete, ready-to-use HRM training platform with 75 professionally designed pages. Everything you need for a professional corporate training platform. Training needs assessment and collection. Training plan creation and approval workflows. Course management with question banks and certificates. Training implementation with online registration, check-in, and progress tracking. Plus a complete training evaluation system with 4 levels of feedback. Every screen is fully interactive and pixel perfect. Manage training needs from collection to feedback. Create and track training plans with built-in approval processes. Organize courses, question banks, and certificates. Run complete online training programs with registration, attendance, exams, and evaluations. All built with real-world HRM training patterns. Save months of design and prototyping time. Every component is reusable and easy to customize. Includes both web and mobile app designs. The high-fidelity interactions feel like a real training platform. Works with Axure RP9 and above, with lifetime free updates. Get the online training system today. 75 pages of premium HRM training design. Starting at just $109. Visit AxureBoutique.com.